Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to translate web page in Chrome. So firstly, you have to go to the Chrome first. Then you have to open a page like any page you want, and then right click from the mouse, and you will find here Translate to English option. Click on this, and you will find here top right this three dot icon. You can see at the cursor, right? Three dot icon beside the English option. Click on this and you'll find here choose another language. Click on this choose another language. Now you'll find here a drop down menu. Click on this and you can see all of the languages here. If you want to choose your desired language you want to translate with, I'm choosing Bengali. Click on translate. Now it will be in Bangalian. Okay, now if you want to change it to English, click on three dot, choose another language, and you'll find here you have to find the uh, language you want to make it like English. Click on translate and it will be translated like this. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.